Today we're replacing the side view mirror for the passenger on the 2004 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to need a pry bar, a 10mm, and a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to start with the pry bar. And we're going to pull on the edge of the panel with our fingers a little bit. This helps get the pry bar in a little bit and pry this panel back. Now we happen to have the tweeter here. We can disconnect this and set it to the side, but for now we're just going to move it off to the side. We're going to take our Phillips screwdriver and remove one Phillips screw right here, which attaches to the mirror with a little piece of plastic on it, which we're going to take back off as well. And then we're going to move to our 10mm. But before we do that, we're going to take this wire bundle that comes up to a black connector, and there is a trigger on the top of it. And what we want to do is push this trigger down, and as you push the trigger down, it allows the connector to unlock and release. Now with this connector released, we're going to take our 10mm and remove the three 10mm bolts that secure this. I'm going to loosen them up a little bit first, and then remove one. These screws look like they might all be the same on this. Now we have the third one loose as well, third screw loose as well. But we're going to hold on to the mirror while we do this so it doesn't fall right off the car in case it falls right off the car. And remove this third screw. Now we're going to set these to the side, and we have the assembly releases from the side of the car. Oh, it looks like this was a used one too at one time. Anyways, I have an exact replacement. I just noticed that although I have the replacement, I'm going to line this up, same exact color, which is amazing. And we're going to line this up with the little screw that comes through this little opening down here. There's the three major bolts fit here, and the one screw came through this one opening. So we want to make sure that we line this all up, get it all situated on the outside of the window in its spot as well. Hold it in place. The screws should all line up here, which would mean we get the mirror in the right place here. I'm going to start all these screws. And we have everyone doing their yard work out there this morning. And now we got two screws in. We're going to put the third screw in, get that one started, come back to our 10mm and screw these in tight. Now we have these three screws tightened. We're going to install the connector back in, check the features before we get it all back together, of course, and then we're going to place this plastic piece back over the front. It will snap back into place and we're set to go. If you have other stereo or speaker removals you're looking for, see our website carstereohelp.com. And thank you for watching. Thumbs up and please subscribe.